Hey, the scariest thing at your event is a boring speaker. Honestly, I'm not here to inspire anyone. Frankly, I'm a little jaded. But I know how hard your audience job is. Many business professionals are so unhappy and stressed right now. They are worried about their jobs, about keeping up with AI, about their own identities, about whether they can still contribute. Everyone I have met is stressed. I get it. Somewhere along the way, work stopped being fun. And I want to bring some of that back, like doing an existing task a new way. Telling an audience to do nothing for 20 minutes, especially when AI is being dumb. And the bad things is to walk away and do something silly ourselves. What do you think? So, whatever the topic, I want your attendees to do their jobs better and find a few joyful moments while they give their best. That's what I do. I'm a speaker and a practitioner. I preach what I practice. I give your audience an honest dose of reality plus ideas on what they can do better. That's what we all want, to do better and have fun at the same time. Keynote, workshop, sales kickoff, executive sessions, in-person or virtual, you name it, I can do it. The bottom line, when I speak, I don't ever want to waste anyone's time. Tell me your event in the forum below, your audience, your theme, the outcome you need. I will come up with personalized ideas and topics. I make it relevant to your audience. That's make yours the event people are still talking about the next quarter. Okay? Take care. Bye.